Alrighty everyone, so we are going to be cleaning up the quads today after mud bash. This one was actually sitting out in the rain, so I took the brush to it and just went ahead and went over anyways, but the rest of the quad's still pretty nasty. And I don't know if you guys can actually see up in there, but we have a busted axle seal. We're gonna have to get to that axle seal and get it done, but I really want to get this cleaned out because it's so much easier working on stuff that's clean. So today we got the Brute out here, the Audi's in there, so we'll get to that next. But just gonna try and cut through all this sand and mud and everything like that, and all up under there. So got a couple new things that I want to be trying today. Usually I just use my pressure washer, but we did end up with a new foam cannon from MATCC. Everybody kind of swears by this on Amazon, and I think Walmart was doing a special on this for like a week where it was like half price. So shoot, you can't beat that. And my brother actually hooked me up with some Diablo wheel cleaner because they were doing buy one get one half off, so he went and picked me up one of these. If you haven't used this stuff's great, especially on matte wheels. But we're actually going to be using a different product first, just to kind of spray it down, spray some of this on top of it, let it sit, brush it down, and it'll come off really nicely. And then for the first time, I usually use Mr. Pink because it just works really well. Plus you can also wash with it out in sunlight and you don't have to worry about any spotting, anything like that, which is really nice. But this one is the Tough Mudder by Chemical Guys, truck wash, off-road ATV, heavy duty soap. So you can pick these up just about anywhere. This one you do have to order online as far as I know, because couldn't find any of our like AutoZone Advance around us that had it, or Walmart. So yeah, so we're gonna go and get to it, get you guys set up. Hope you know, I know some of you enjoy videos like this, cleaning stuff up. So you know, if this is you, make sure you throw a thumbs up, like and subscribe it, and yeah, tell us if this is stuff that you like, because we've got to clean these things up every single time. But there's going to be different rigs on the channel as we go through things, and so we want to make sure we're appealing to content for a broad audience and making a lot of you happy. So again, switch over to the stand and get to cleaning. right, guys, so there you have it. Probably a little dirty on camera here, but got the brute cleaned up. You saw how I kind of did the process. I went ahead and sprayed a little bit of water from the water hose, kind of just like, you know, to get everything wet and kind of break up anything that had dried on there and caked on there. And then we took the foam cannon and I went ahead and changed it around just a little bit. I did go ahead and swap up the attachment. I just had the small handheld, but it was only rated for 300 psi. Craftsman Pro 7.5 horsepower is rated for 3,000. So all in all, I'm really happy with how the MATCC Foam Cannon worked out. As you can see, she's not perfect, but once we get some SC1 and some tire shine on her, I mean, a little bit of vinyl conditioner for the seat, she'll look a lot better, but she already does look 100 times better. Got up in the fender wells. But yeah, there's still some dirt and grime up in here from sand. We'll blow that out after it dries. And the air compressor, you know, it's just kind of what you run into when you're riding at parts that have a bunch of sand as well. You're going to get sand in places you don't really want it. But again, we got to work on the front axle seal and possibly put a new belt in it. And I rather do things like that when it's clean. Yeah, this is the brute. We might do a video on cleaning up the Outlander. Outlander's a little easier, I feel like, even though it's bigger. So we may end up doing a quick video on that. You know, who knows? Moving a little slow today because I tried to find out what's going on with the scrambler fuel issues, and I pulled a muscle on my dang forearm. So it took me a little longer than expected. We'll hit all that with griots. But yeah, again, if you like this type of content or like anything that we're doing on the channel, leave a thumbs up, subscribe, drop us a comment below. Let us know what you like, what you don't like. We're trying to cover all avenues because, again, I like doing everything with an engine and wheels, and it don't matter if it's 1 wheel, 2 wheels, 4 wheels, 6 wheels, you name it, we enjoy it. Again, we're still trying to build the channel after years. Had some successful videos. These are kind of newer, so it's gaining a new crowd. And again, thank you to everyone that's been supporting lately as well. And again, as always, you guys stay safe, ride safe, and we'll see you next time. So stay tuned.
Baby, I'm